Nitrogen is all around us in the air, and if it can be cooled to negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit, we can make liquid nitrogen, which is what's inside of this canister. And we can cool this nitrogen even further by putting it in a low pressure environment. And this will cool it to the point where we will get solid nitrogen. We'll create our low pressure environment by putting this bell jar over our nitrogen, our liquid nitrogen, and hooking it up to this vacuum pump. The liquid nitrogen boils at room temperature, and when it is in the vacuum chamber, the vacuum pumps out the evaporated particles, which are the particles moving around the most, which means that they are the hottest particles. As these warmer particles are removed, the liquid nitrogen is cooled. The low pressure environment also lowers the boiling point of the nitrogen, so we see a more intense boiling, which removes even more warm particles. Eventually, so many hot particles are removed that the liquid nitrogen is very, very cold, and we see the boiling calm down, and a layer of solid nitrogen forms on top. The liquid nitrogen underneath the nitrogen ice still continues to boil, and if the nitrogen freezes in an even layer on top, the boiling pushes the solid nitrogen up, which causes it to melt a little, and then the layer reforms, and this cycle continues. Sometimes the boiling liquid nitrogen pushes the solid nitrogen with a little more oomph, and the nitrogen ice is pushed up and out of the glass and quickly melts. One more fun thing after we've made our nitrogen ice, when the vacuum pump is turned off, pressure is restored, and the nitrogen melts and evaporates, which fills the chamber with gas.
Oh, nice.